This is Village Auto's 2012 Chevrolet Cruze LTZ. Accident-free, verified throughout a check. We have the rear defrost, rear park assist sensors, premium alloy wheels, very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $8,233. Let's get inside here for you. Being the LTZ package is a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. We do have the full power options, power driver's side seat, power moonroof, AM/FM CD player with a USB and auxiliary inputs, automatic climate control, auto stick feature. You also have a push button start, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. Altogether very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze LTZ home with you today.